Hey, what's going on, everyone? What's going on? Good morning, good morning. Clicking the button. We've clicked all the buttons. Have you guys clicked all of the buttons as well? Welcome to Dano Crypto. Welcome to this live stream. Guys, I don't think we're excited enough. We're not excited enough. I mean, look at this. Look at this price action. Look at this price action. Look at this price action. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Look at these candles. Look at all these candles, guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the cryptocurrency markets. If you don't know, you know now. You know now that we can get these massive God green candles. We got 2% move. We got a 1% move. We got another 2% move. We got another 3% move. We got another 1% move. I mean, last night I had a hard time actually hitting the sack because I was like, look at this price action. Do I sleep or do I make money? Which one's more important? Guys, let me know in the chat if you think sleep is more important than money or money is more important than sleep. Let me know in the chat. How are you guys feeling? Let's get this thing out. Let's get this thing out to the world. Let's get this thing out to the world. I know you guys are probably still sleeping, you know, but we gotta get the markets pumping right now. To get the markets pumping, to get it going. Shout out to you guys watching on x.com. Good morning to Mr. Sam Price. And good morning to all the crypto peeps. Let's see what is trending right now. We got Portal Coin trending. We got Whiff, Dog with Hat. We got Crypto.com trending. Got a lot of things trending right now. But look, so basically what happened yesterday is that we were on the live stream in the morning. We were talking about Bitcoin testing and trying to get support off of this line right here, this 53,000. We actually got supported massively and went up all the way as high as 45,000. Sorry, 54,000. It's so crazy because the price I've been saying 40s, but because we were just in the 40s not that long ago. Like, guys, we were just down in these levels not that long ago. Really not that long ago, guys. So you see this sideways choppy, and then now we got the breakout. And now what is this going to do with the overall market? You know, I mean, we're still a strong buy on Bitcoin, and if you think about it, we still got some move. We got some room to go. We got some rooms to go, guys. I can't even talk. I said we got a couple rooms to go, my guy, my guys. Drinking some coffee. Let me know what you guys are drinking. Do we have any people in the live stream? Are we getting any people in the live stream? All right, YouTube is doing a terrible job at algorithming some people into the stream. We gotta change that up. We gotta change that up. All right, so if you haven't popped in the Discord, definitely do so. Definitely do so. And all right, let's see what's happening with the trades. So the trades could not help myself. I mean, we were just seeing some massive bullish news, not even just news, but just like a lot of bullish sentiment towards Pepe. I noticed just in the markets in general and on social media and just posts in general from accounts, a lot of people starting to mention Pepe and that Pepe is going to lead the charge in this run, in this new run we're going to be having here. Now, where's Pepe? Where's Pepe at? Where's Pepe in terms of its rank? Now, Pepe is in the top 100 in terms of market cap. Now, we got market cap. We just crossed over 700 million. We are getting close to hitting $1 billion in market cap. So now, when did that happen last? We had $1 billion in market cap Let's see where we got real wasn't the launch, was, you know, when we had the launch and we had the initial Pepe craze, but look at where we're at right now. We're literally almost back at the levels of where we launched previously, where we had the meme season, basically that crazy meme season we had last year. It's just insane, guys. So I couldn't help myself. I had to think, okay, look, Pepe, it's possible that we could be seeing Pepe get listed on Coinbase. Now look at all these exchanges that Pepe's on. We got Binance, we got OKX, we got Bybit, we got KuCoin, Gate.io, Binance, HTX. We have Kraken, Gemini, BitGet. It's on MEXC. It's on BingX. It's on so many different exchanges. Now, why is Coinbase fading Pepe? Are they waiting? Are they waiting for it to get a little bit higher up? Are they waiting to get in levels of where, say, you know, Dogecoin is, or SHIB? You know, Shiba Inu, number 17 on the list here, and got 6 billion in market cap and 421 million in trading volume. And then we got Dogecoin with 1 billion in trading volume, 1.38. Pretty crazy. 1,038,875,000 trading volume in Dogecoin. So I was telling you guys, Dogecoin is actually a pretty tradable coin. We're actually in a Doge trade right now where we are actually about almost 1,000% in profit. We have been waiting for that breakout for Doge to get into that 10-cent range. We hit 10 cents, got rejected, or no, we didn't get right up to 10 cents. We got pretty close. We got close right here. We got up to 9 cents, and we saw a little bit of a retracement here coming into that price action. And if anything, possible come down to the point of control again to try and test out breaking into the 10-cent range. Now, if we're looking at the 4-hour, you can see here that we had 2 different points where we got rejected right here on this 8 cents, and then now we're actually sitting above those rejection resistance levels. Now, why is that bullish? Now, it's bullish because once we've broken out of 3 different resistance points and we're actually sitting at resistance here with support, then we could be breaking up into the 10-cent range to be able to actually break the 10 cents and go into the next target, which would be that 15 cents, which was the recent all-time high of 15 cents. Not all-time high, but in just the short term here, where we saw it in November last. This was actually November of 2022. Time's moving fast, guys, because, I mean, you got to think, like, look, you know, we got November here, November 2022, and then let's go to November in 2023 and see where we had similar price action. Right here, November, seeing that similar price action. And then now let's see where we're going to be going and heading into the immediate short term for Doge. I think we're going to be breaking that 10 cents. We're definitely going to break that 10 cents. We see more bullish movement with the entire market. Then we will be sitting pretty on some Doge profits. And guys, I ain't gonna tell you how many times I've tried to get into a Pepe trade, and then I'm thinking, okay, yes, it's gonna break out. I'm gonna get it right before that entry, and then I get stopped out. It's happened to me so many times, and I was like, let's go. Last night, I was like, let's go. Let's get this Pepe trade in. Let's finally get it right before we catch a breakout. And guys, I mean, look at this. Look at this. I love seeing when you can get entries in right here, and then a kablam. You see that move to the upside. I absolutely love it. Love it. I love it when you can actually make some money in the cryptocurrency markets. And you can actually get validated. But guys, if you're watching my live stream yesterday live, then you would have gotten the signal to be able to get into possibly a scalp short-term trade for getting to the top of the band, 53,000. That was a clear signal that we were going to be moving up higher, but I didn't think it was going to be that soon, where we were going to be pushing up past 53. So it's really good to see. It is really good to see. But guys, do we have any people in here yet? We got one person. We got one like, oh my gosh. All right, I gotta know who this one lowly person is. And if you could so graciously share this to x.com, share it to the world, share it to all of your social media platforms, that would be greatly appreciated. And let yourself be known in the chat. It's crypto fart. Of course, the one person that's watching, your name has to be crypto fart. Your name has to be crypto fart. No, great name. I love it. Crypto can sometimes be a giant fart. It can definitely be a giant fart sometimes. Oh, let me get back. Let me get back to the live. Let me get back to the live. All right, let's see what just happened. I don't know what just happened. We just lost the live stream. Where's my control room? Let me know. Are we still live? Are we still live? Yeah, definitely making some gains. Am I still live? Can you still see me? Because I just lost my my studio view for YouTube. Okay, cool. All right, awesome. All right, well, I won't even worry about it. All right, so yeah, because it just disappeared off of YouTube. But shout out to you guys for coming into the stream. But yeah, what we're talking about is we're in some profits for Pepe and Doge. I was talking about how we were getting into these trades last night because we were just seeing some bullish movements. And actually what we did an emergency take profit stream where the market was heating up. And what we did is we went through each trade and we took 25% off of each trade. So we went in, and this is before I put in one on Pepe, because we actually, with those profits that I took, I went in $100 margin on Pepe with a 10x at an entry price of 0.501718. And what that did gave me an opportunity to actually get in, cash out. What I did is, when I was up 100% in profit, it's interesting because like on getting entries like that with a 10x, you actually have a good opportunity to be able to double up your money. I had 2 opportunities to do that, and you can see here where I took some of it, wicked up, had an opportunity to cash out. So I cashed out half of my profits, half the trade, which gave me protection. Put in a stop loss at break even, along with securing the profit. So even if I took those profits and then I went in break even, then I would be still in profit and protected as well to not lose any money. And then so in doing that, it just helps you have, realized profits. Realized profits. And you can see here realized profits on these trades. $800, 800. Yeah, it's getting there. They're pumping up a little bit. We've got to pump it up. Thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. Let me know what you guys are trading. We're definitely keeping some coins on the radar. We got XYO. We dollar cost averaged into some XYO. That's a coin that I personally think is going to smash levels. It's going to absolutely smash levels when we start getting into the true bull market. Because yeah, we're in the bull market, but this bull market's different. It's been kind of we've been beaten down for so long, I think, that people aren't even excited for the 60K that we're about to hit as prior of the previous 60K. So that's just kind of how I feel about the market right now, is that people are just, they were so beat down that they're kind of jaded at what's happening right now. All right, so CryptoFart said, I'm in a long on FTM since 6 IMX since 90 cents, ETH since 1500, Phantom since 6 cents. Nice, that's good. That's awesome. Yeah, so you got some good entries. I feel like I want to get back into my view, but it just completely. So then I can get in the chat here. Let's go to the dashboard and maybe we can go to the chat here. All right, there we go. Now I can get my chat. All right, so FTM 16 cents. Yeah, 16 cents. Yeah, so let's look at FTM. Yeah, I actually really like Phantom. Phantom, I think, is a good buy. The ecosystem's good. A lot of DeFi. Let's see. We got some price action here. We broke out of that 39 cents point of control, and looks like we broke off that previous resistance of 44 cents. And now we hit the top of the band at 45 cents. Just a little bit of a retracement, nothing too crazy. But if you're looking at the 4 hour, you can see that I want to get this range out of here. We're sitting at 2 different resistance points in price. And if anything, if we're going to see a bounce to be able to get back into these levels, possible that we could see another 39 cents if we have another big retracement. And then in that, we could see some support. But here's the thing, you know, where's the RSI sitting at where we've had previous price levels here? We see RSI sitting about right there in the oversold. Now let's see if and this is the thing, the RSI right here is getting in the green of being possibly a little bit overbought, but we could see some more movements to the upside for Phantom if we get some ecosystem like liquidity coming in. You know, that's the thing. Like, you know, the reason why AVAX, Solana, some of these other other layers and blockchains that have meme coins attached to them, they get a lot more of that liquidity coming in just from sheer hype. So FTM, with also say the spell token, you have Boo, Spooky Swap, you have, let's see, what's a meme that's I can just think off the top of my head with Phantom, Blue Kirby. You know, there's all these different things. So like say the money starts going into that and people start talking about Phantom. I think what hurt Phantom to begin with last year is they had a massive hack. And that definitely took some liquidity and some hype away from Phantom. But I think they recovered. Pretty well. So, yep, something to keep on the radar. Phantom. All right, so we got Naka Games. Naka Games, guys, they are releasing a AAA game called Outlanders, which they're using with their ecosystem. So the thing with that is actually pretty huge. So if we go and look at Naka Games, and this is how everyone's waking up this morning. Everyone is waking up like a la da 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 da. I'm rich, bitch. It's time to go. Time to get yourself crypto exposure, baby. All right, so let's look at Naka Games. Nakamoto Games. All right, so what was the announcement? This is the announcement. To find it, it was with the Outlanders. Okay, after opening our latest deal for Naka holders, we're approached by several institutions. Let's see, Gaming Club offer value community exclusive investments. Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay, all right, so this is cool. So I'll be in the tier 1 of being a holder of $500 worth of Naka or more. So what that does is this initiative underscores our commitment to leveraging the Naka token, not just as a digital asset, but as a gateway to unparalleled investment opportunities in the gaming industry. So it's kind of like having basically like being able to get into seed rounds for getting early access and investment opportunities for some IGOs, industrial game offerings, ICO coin offerings. And so this is a Play Outlander, stands as the industry's first full-scale play-to-earn MMORPG, meticulously crafted by Naka Ventures and set to launch within the Naka ecosystem. So this is gonna be huge, guys. So what is going to be? Becoming a member is straightforward. Hold the specific specified amounts of Naka and gain access not only to this, but the future private sales. So definitely something to look at. Definitely something to look at. Nakamoto Games is going to be launching a mobile app very soon. And also you can play Nakamoto Games directly in Telegram. And there is all kinds of things that you can do with Naka. Now, Tom Crown, good morning, Tom Crown. Shout out to Tom Crown. Capo's still totally out of the market. It is pretty crazy that Capo, with his following and his sentiment, it's like he doesn't understand the basics of supply and demand. I don't know. Some people just can't be helped. Some people can't be helped. Crypto Millie says, I'm chilling until halving. Will not buy the tops, but you will sell them. Are you selling? Are you selling, Millie? You better be selling. All right, guys. Let's check out danielcurtishughes.com and see what's happening with the crypto bubbles. Let's see what's happening with the entire market, with Bitcoin going to the moon. And let's see what's happening. So look at this. Pepe, 55% is insane, guys. I knew it. I could smell it. I could smell the Pepe pump. And it's just getting started. It's just getting started, guys. That's the thing. When the memes and the altcoins start running, Pepe is going to lead the charge. Pepe is the obvious outlier when it comes to classic. Just classic meme, classic. It's what the retail, it's what the normies are going to end up doing. They're going to end up using, or not using, but they're going to end up wanting to get into coins like Pepe because it's familiar, it's and it's funny. Familiar, funny, and that's really all you need sometimes with a coin to do well, is for it to have a funny community and just get that money going in. Just get the money going in. All right, Portal, 5% on the 5. 5%'s looking good. Everything is in the green. Anything linked with Bitcoin, anything good with the Bitcoin narrative is going to ultimately have a nice pump along with Bitcoin. All right, so how are we doing on profits? We're doing pretty good. You know, what's great is that, you know, I'll just be transparent with you guys. You know, I had DCA'd last year and maybe the year before over $1,000 in BTC, kind of just like I would on my trust wallet. I was dollar cost average in BTC. I'd buy $15, $20, and this is all when like barely had the money to be able to actually do that, because I was spending my money on all kinds of other things, you know, that has to do with owning a house or, you know, just life stuff that you end up having to purchase. And with that, I ended up having to sell most of that BTC to purchase real world things, you know, and I'm sure you guys have had that same situation where you've had to sell some of your crypto and you really didn't want to, but you had to. So in that, I've been able to trade my BTC back into my account and get more than what I started with. Now, for me, that's amazing, because you get a little discouraged sometimes when you think about those things and the mistakes or stuff that you've had to do where you've had certain amounts of crypto at one time, you've had to either sell it, and you couldn't really stick to that plan. Well, I will say, guys, you can do it. You can still stick with your plan. You can still have exposure in the market. You can still be in crypto. There are all kinds of ways to be able to position yourself to get your coins. So what am I going to do with this $1,200 of actual BTC? Well, I'm going to keep trading it. And I'm going to protect these trades. I think BTC is well due for 100K this year for sure. I mean, it might even surpass 100K. This cycle is insane, guys. This cycle has been doing some crazy things, and it could surprise all of us. Or we absolutely get destroyed and we dump back down to 38,000. And the longs get absolutely wrecked. That's also possible too. I don't want to be a 100% moon boy, because these levels right here, this price range, you see this between this 40 and this right here, this 40, 41, and this 40K right here in these ascending wedges is where we broke out massively. And then we had another shelf here, another bull flag, boom. Now, could we be setting ourselves up for another sideways movement where we have that same similar, we had that move up and then sideways chop and then to the next level? Because you see here we have that sideways chop, move up, sideways. We got these stepping stones happening right now. So what could happen? It could be blasting. But the fact that we're just sitting at 56, it's just crazy, because we were getting rejected so many times off of some of these levels. It was just crazy. So the fact that we've been just trading sideways in this range, 50K, in the 50K range, and not even trying to dump back down into this level is amazing. It just shows that Bitcoin is strong. It's supported by multiple narratives during this cycle. This is why I think we're going to hit all-time highs before the Bitcoin halving. I've said that and people think I'm crazy, but I think we're going to definitely be hitting all-time highs before the Bitcoin halving. Now, will that send us way down once we hit those all-time highs and then get rejected again off that? It's possible, but anything's possible in crypto, guys. So don't forget, anything is possible in crypto. But all right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this live stream. And I really do appreciate you guys hitting the likes and subscribing and coming into these, kind of random live streams. Sometimes I think the key is I need to get scheduled times for coming into these live streams so you guys know when I'll be doing live streams. But I will tell you, I am doing normal live streams every Sunday morning early Eastern Standard Time at 5:30. If you're anywhere else around in the world, you'll be able to catch that as well. I've noticed I've had more people at that time in my live streams than any other time in the week and in that time frame. So yeah, if you really want to catch the community, come in on early Sundays, get the week started. But okay, guys. Thank you so much. Let's check the trades again. Let's check the trades. Let's check our profit. Oh man, it's wild, guys. Like, this account's almost at oh, thank you, Crypto Fart. Thank you, Crypto Fart. Always a pleasure as well. I appreciate you. I appreciate you very much. All right. Just show you guys, I like to be transparent. Show you what's happening with my P&L. So this is just my futures P&L is doing very well. We're up 37% on the whole account. I mean, we just today's and yesterday's P&L is over $1,000. And then in the spot account, we have we're building up. MAGA, actually, we we went into this MAGA coin, and I think we're actually up now. We might actually be up. We might be up a little bit in MAGA. We just put a little funny money in the MAGA coin. Let's check it out right now. Let's see. All right, we are 34% in profit. We're 34% in profit on the MAGA coin. Shido, we're 24%. Guys, you know, building a little bag of the Shido. And yeah, and then we're going to see what Baby Trump does. We're going to see what Baby Trump does. I did this thing where when you see these coins that are about to list on the exchanges, and for instance, like Baby Trump, I went and found it. It's a Binance Smart Chain contract. There's over 1,000 holders. And so I said, you know, why not? I'll buy 20 bucks of it. I'll send it into the exchange, and we will see what happens when it actually hits the market. And you guys should test that out as well, because I tell you, there's some things that will do that. You can find the contract and say like Pigcoin, and I ended up missing an opportunity to make 5,000% gain on Pigcoin. And it's just, sometimes you think things are just too like too funny, or too like, oh, that's gotta be too, you know, too easy. Sometimes it can be that easy. It's just being able to catch that slot machine, basically the crypto slot machine. It's just it happens. It can happen like that, guys. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out. Peace.